Alright guys, so we made it up here to beautiful Waimea, guys. Waimea Canyon area. Look at Jess. Perfect pose, honey. She got the perfect pose over here. Like these boulders. Look at that. Ooh, beautiful. Oh, I'm gonna take a picture, honey, okay? This is beautiful. Hold on, guys. Enjoy the view, guys. Enjoy the view. You know what? Let me put this down here so you guys can enjoy it. There you go, guys. I'll let you guys enjoy the view. What's up, guys? It's your boy Robert here with the Bad Hair Day once again, along with Jessie girl. Hi, Jess. Yeah, Jess wants to go over to this awesome place. It's called Konohiki. I don't know if you guys can see it right over there. We're gonna pick up some what are we gonna pick up, Jess?
I don't know.
Sushi and all that. So I don't think I can bring the camera in, but we're gonna get the food, get back in here, and I'll show you guys what we got. All right, let's go. All right, guys, we are back. We are back, guys. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the bell notification, and the thumbs up if you guys like it. Thanks, guys. But like I said, here we go, guys. This is what we got. This is what we're working with. So right there we got the salmon. Sorry, I always say salmon plate. Then just got the assortment of sushi. Oh my goodness, that thing looks good. And then our favorite, oh my god, calamari. Just test it out. Ooh, good. Let me test it out too, guys. Calamari action.
This from the
That's
the
good.
store, the one we buy. Are you cook it? This
Oh, yeah?
one, yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, okay. Highly recommend this place. So before you enter, they have a spray. You have to spray your hand for safety, and then they also have a temperature check. So you put your wrist up to the sensor, and it reads your temperature. But other than that, man, it's good. Okay.
Good salmon.
Check out this place, guys. I say over there, Konohiki, here in the town of Hanamaulu. Just gave them a shout out. Hope they don't mind. Jess really likes this place, right, Jess? Really good, yeah.
They open 7 to 5.
7 to 5. Got a whole bunch of these things in there. They have plate lunches too, and they have dessert inside their refrigerator. A whole bunch of drinks and, like I said, desserts, pies, and poi, all that good stuff, guys. Okay, let's go.
Where do we go from here?